Iceland, a land where nature's extremes coexist in harmony. Just the name evokes a sense of mystery and wonder. This island nation, with its rugged landscapes and ethereal beauty, captures the imagination of all who visit. This island nation, nestled close to the Arctic Circle, is a place where fire meets ice. Volcanoes rumble beneath glaciers, creating a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. Steaming hot springs erupt from frozen ground, offering a surreal experience of warmth amidst the cold. These geothermal wonders are a testament to the island's volcanic activity, and the ethereal northern lights dance across the night sky, painting it with vibrant hues of green, pink, and purple. This natural light show is a sight to behold, mesmerizing all who witness it. Iceland is a land of dramatic contrasts and breathtaking beauty. From its towering fjords to its serene valleys, every corner of this island offers a new and stunning vista. Towering waterfalls cascade down rugged cliffs, their powerful torrents carving out the landscape over millennia. Gullfoss and Skogafoss are just two of the many majestic waterfalls that dot the island. Black sand beaches stretch along the coast, pounded by the relentless North Atlantic. Reynisfjara Beach, with its striking basalt columns, is a must-visit for any traveler. And vast glaciers, remnants of the last ice age, carve their way through the volcanic landscape. These icy giants are a stark reminder of the island's glacial past, but Iceland is more than just scenery. It's a land where nature and culture intertwine, creating a unique and vibrant tapestry. It's a land of rich history and culture, of warm hospitality and friendly people. From the traditional turf houses to the modern cityscape of Reykjavik, Iceland's heritage is both preserved and celebrated. It's a place where you can experience the raw power of nature and the tranquility of solitude. Whether you're hiking through its vast wilderness or simply soaking in its serene landscapes, Iceland offers a profound sense of peace. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a little bit of both, Iceland has something to offer everyone. From thrilling glacier hikes to relaxing in geothermal hot springs, the island caters to all tastes and preferences. So pack your bags, lace up your hiking boots, and get ready to experience the best of Iceland. This land of fire and ice awaits, promising an unforgettable journey through one of the world's most unique and captivating destinations. No trip to Iceland is complete without experiencing the Golden Circle. This iconic route is a must-see for anyone visiting the land of fire and ice. This popular tourist route takes you to some of the country's most iconic natural wonders, offering a glimpse into Iceland's unique geological and cultural heritage, all within easy reach of Reykjavik, making it a perfect day trip. Whether you choose to drive yourself or join a guided tour, the Golden Circle promises an unforgettable adventure. The first stop on the Golden Circle is Thingvellir National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This park is not only a place of stunning natural beauty, but also of great historical significance. Here, you can stand between the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates, which are slowly pulling apart. This rift valley is a testament to the powerful forces shaping our planet. It's a truly unique geological experience. As you walk through the park, you'll encounter dramatic landscapes, crystal-clear waters, and a sense of awe at the natural world. Next up is the Geysir geothermal area, where you can witness the Stroker geyser erupt every few minutes. This area is a hotbed of geothermal activity with bubbling hot springs and steaming vents. Watch in awe as a column of boiling water shoots high into the air. The power and unpredictability of Stroker make it a highlight of any Golden Circle tour. It's a powerful reminder of the geothermal energy that lies beneath Iceland's surface. This energy not only shapes the landscape, but also provides a sustainable source of power for the country. Finally, no Golden Circle tour is complete without a visit to Gullfoss Waterfall. Known as the Golden Falls, Gullfoss is one of Iceland's most beloved natural attractions. This majestic waterfall plunges down 2 tiers into a rugged canyon. The sheer volume and force of the water are truly impressive, creating a mesmerizing display of nature's power. Feel the spray on your face as you stand on the viewing platform. The roar of the water and the mist in the air create an immersive experience that will stay with you long after you leave. It's a truly breathtaking sight. The Golden Circle offers a perfect blend of natural beauty, geological wonders, and cultural history, making it an essential part of any Icelandic adventure. Iceland is a land of waterfalls, but 2 stand out as particularly impressive: Seljalandsfoss and Skogafoss. Both located on the south coast, these waterfalls offer unique experiences. Seljalandsfoss is famous for the path that leads behind the cascading water. Put on your raincoat and walk behind the falls for a truly unique perspective. Feel the mist on your face and listen to the roar of the water. Just a short drive down the road is Skogafoss, one of Iceland's largest waterfalls. This powerful waterfall plunges 60 meters into a pool below. On sunny days you can often see a rainbow or two in the spray. Hike to the top of the falls for a panoramic view. Iceland's black sand beaches are like something out of a dream. Formed over centuries from volcanic eruptions, these beaches offer a stark contrast to the blue waters of the Atlantic. One of the most impressive black sand beaches is Reynisfjara, located near the village of Vik y Myrdal. Here you'll find towering basalt columns, crashing waves, and stunning views of the Reynisdrangar sea stacks. Be careful when exploring Reynisfjara, as the waves can be unpredictable and dangerous. But don't let that deter you from experiencing the raw beauty of this unique place. While Iceland is stunning in any season, winter transforms it into a magical wonderland. And there's no better place to experience the magic of Icelandic winter than Vatnajökull National Park. Home to Europe's largest glacier, Vatnajökull National Park offers a range of winter activities. Go glacier hiking with an experienced guide and explore ice caves, shimmering with blue light. After a day of adventure, warm up in a geothermal pool as snow falls around you. It's an experience you won't soon forget. As seeing the northern lights dance across the night sky is a truly unforgettable experience. And Iceland is one of the best places in the world to witness this natural phenomenon. The northern lights, or aurora borealis, are most visible during the winter months, from September to April. The best time to see them is on clear, dark nights, away from city lights. Check the aurora forecast before you head out, and be patient. The northern lights can be elusive, but seeing them dance across the sky is worth the wait. After a day of exploring Iceland's natural wonders, there's no better way to relax than with a soak in the Blue Lagoon. This geothermal spa is one of Iceland's most popular attractions, and for good reason. The Blue Lagoon's milky blue waters are rich in silica and other minerals said to have healing properties. Relax in the warm water as steam rises around you. Enjoy a drink from the swim-up bar or indulge in a massage. The Blue Lagoon is a truly unique experience and a must-do on any trip to Iceland. Reykjavik, Iceland's capital city, is a vibrant and cosmopolitan city with a small town feel. Despite its size, Reykjavik has a lot to offer visitors. Explore the city's colorful buildings, visit the iconic Hallgrímskirkja church, and wander through the shops and cafes of Laugavegur Street. Be sure to try some traditional Icelandic food such as skyr, a type of yogurt, and plokkfiskur, a fish stew. In the evening, experience Reykjavik's lively nightlife scene. From cozy pubs to trendy bars, there's something for everyone in this charming city. Iceland is a country that begs to be explored. Whether you're interested in hiking, camping, or simply soaking up the scenery, there's an adventure waiting for you. Rent a car and explore the country at your own pace. Drive the ring road, which circles the entire island, and discover hidden gems off the beaten path. Go hiking in the highlands, camp under the stars, and experience the raw beauty of Iceland's wilderness. No matter how you choose to explore Iceland, one thing is for sure: you're in for an unforgettable adventure. Here are a few essential tips to help you make the most of your Icelandic adventure. Whether you're planning to explore the stunning landscapes, immerse yourself in the local culture, or simply enjoy the unique experiences Iceland has to offer, these tips will ensure you have a memorable trip. Pack for all weather. Iceland's weather can be unpredictable, so be prepared for rain, wind, and cold temperatures even in summer. Layering is key. Bring waterproof and windproof clothing as well as warm layers. This way you'll be comfortable no matter what the weather throws at you. Learn a few Icelandic phrases. While most Icelanders speak English, learning a few basic phrases will enhance your experience and show respect for the local culture. Simple greetings and expressions of thanks can go a long way in making connections with locals and enriching your travel experience. Try the local cuisine. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and try some traditional Icelandic dishes. From fermented shark to lamb stew, Icelandic cuisine offers a variety of unique flavors that reflect the country's history and environment. You might be surprised at what you discover. Embrace the culinary adventure and you may find some new favorite dishes. Respect the environment. Iceland's natural beauty is fragile. The landscapes are pristine and largely untouched, and it's up to visitors to keep them that way. Stay on marked trails, pack out everything you pack in, and be mindful of your impact on the environment. By following these guidelines, you help preserve Iceland's natural wonders for future generations to enjoy. Iceland is a country that will stay with you long after you've left its shores. The dramatic landscapes, the friendly people, and the unique experiences will create memories to last a lifetime. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Icelandic adventure today. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful for your next adventure, there's plenty more to explore on our channel. Be sure to check out the other videos where we dive into must-visit destinations, travel tips, and insider advice to help you travel smarter, safer, and on a budget. Whether you're looking for hidden gems, budget-friendly vacation spots, or safety tips for your trips, we've got you covered. Don't stop here. Click on one of our other exciting videos, subscribe, join the Hafid Tours and Travel community, where every journey begins with the right knowledge and a passion to explore. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.